heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for subscribing to our YouTube and Spotify channels. If you haven't subscribed to our Spotify, please do so that you can listen to all the videos at one go in one place in an audio form. Today, we are going to talk about Yogini Dasha with Goel sir. Sir, a warm welcome to you.
Namaskar.
Sir has been practicing Yogini Dasha for more than a period of 15 years. So, what has been your experience with Yogini Dasha?
See, why I will say it is not a good experience. It has been a wonderful experience. See, this method, the Yogini Dasha is known. It is written by Parasharji and it is known to everybody. But the problem with Yogini Dasha is that it is of 36 years of cycle. 36 year cycle. So Yogini Dasha repeats after 36 years. And if same Dasha is repeating, why the events are not repeating? When I was a student, research student in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in 2003 or 2, I think 2 or 3. In 2003, I wrote this book. So I used to ask Rao Sahab that I was married at the age of 27 years. Why I am not getting married after 36 years again? So he said, let us do some research. So this became the topic of our research class, that how to check Yogini Dasha. Why the results differ after 36 years. There were many methods. All students came up. I came up with the idea that for this Dasha, Parasharji has written that Mangala Dasha starts from Ardra. Parasharji has written two things. Now I tell you the Dasha given by Mahadev, that is Yogini Dasha. He has not said this for Vimshotri or any Dasha. So this is the importance. Then he says, Mangala Dasha starts from Ardra. For Vimshotri, he has said, see the Lord, the Nakshatra Lord, and that will be the Vimshotri Dasha at birth.
Right.
Why he used the word Ardra here? So it clicked that it is based, it is directly linked to the nakshatra. All nakshatra dashas are linked.
Right, sir.
But maybe Yogini is more linked. And if I progress it along with nakshatra, so after 36 years, the dasha will be the same, but the nakshatra will change. So every Yogini dasha is ruled by different nakshatra.
Right, sir.
So in this method, what I did, I used to make the nakshatra as the lagna, as the ascendant, and redraw the chart.
Yes, sir.
So all things will change. The planet who was in 6th house can come in 9th house, can come in 11th house, and the result will be different. So how it got confirmed? Rao Sahab gave a chart of an industrialist. He said, what happened during this period, this time. So we used to cast the, I used to cast the Yogini chart progress Yogini chart with the changed Lagna and then hand over to Raza. Sir, you make the predictions now. Okay. So first event he gave, the prediction is 10th house was very strong, beautiful, all these things was happening. So Rausaf said, yes, in these days, he set up a steel mill in USA and became very rich. Then after 8-10 years, he said, now cast for this date. What is the Yogini Dasha? Now the progress Lagna came and we saw that fourth house is very much disturbed. All the merits have come there. Seventh house is disturbed. We said some problem in the family. Then he told the story that after setting up his rolling mill, steel mill, he came in contact with a lady, American lady there. They became very friend. And this gentleman's wife, she committed suicide because of his affairs.
Yes.
And blamed him for suicide. So he was arrested.
Yes, sir.
Total business gone flop. His family life ruined. And this was so clearly seen in Progress Yogini Dasha. Then Rao Sahib said, approved. Your method is
correct.
Okay, it is corrected. Then I wrote the book in 2003, Progress Yogini Dasha. And during up to say 16 or 17, 2016, 17, so many students, so many teachers of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, they tested it. Maybe the count may be 1,000 or some horoscopes in those years. And they said, yes, it is giving wonderful results. Why I use it? Next question. See, I agree, Vimshotri Dasha is the mother of all them. Parashar ji has said, this is the Dasha for Kali.
Right, sir.
But it is difficult to interpret it. I call Yogini Dasha as a magnified view of Vimshotri Dasha. That first you check Yogini Dasha, it will give you a clue which you find difficult to notice in Vimshotri Dasha. Now with that clue, now you confirm from Vimshotri.
Right, sir.
Even without Vimshotri, you can see in Yogini Dasha and confirm it. Because in this method, with every Dasha, the Lagna will change or the Nakshatra will change.
Right.
So when the Lagna is changing, Nakshatra Lord is changing, and it is placed somewhere, the planets are shifted again. They occupy the same sign as they occupy in the birth chart.
But the houses
Only the
will
Lagna
change.
changes.
And consequently, the houses will change.
Houses will change. And in that, some yogas will be formed, some house will become strong, some avyogas will be formed. So all these things. And that becomes very important.
Right, sir.
So that is the clue we get from Yogini Dasha. And I always use Yogini Dasha also. I can see your Vimshotri also. I will not say I am a master of Vimshotri. No, I can see it a little bit. But after seeing Yogini, I can interpret it better. So this is what I do with Yogini. It is a basic dasha, easy dasha, even for a layman.
Right, sir. So, sir, if we can take an example.
We can take, or before that,
Right, sir.
I will tell you what we are going to do in the webinar.
Right. So, as Sam moves into that genre, into that zone, I'd like to inform all of you that from the first week of August, post the first week of August, we'll be organizing a 4-week classes with one on a Sunday each, so that we can understand Yogini Dasha in great detail.
Okay.
This will be conducted in English. We also have an Hindi webinar on a set of classes on Yogini Dasha coming up every Saturday, Sunday in the last 2 weeks of July. So you have a choice of enrolling. If you want to enroll in these classes, you can do it directly from our website or from our WhatsApp group. In fact, for the students who have enrolled earlier for the Yogini Dasha class, we also have some surprise lined up for you. So do visit our website, do check the material given there. Sir, what are we going to do in the 4-week class?
No, firstly, for the new students,
Right, sir.
we will understand and learn how to progress the yoga from birth to any time.
Right.
So that matter, because you have to first understand it.
Right, sir.
You are getting it on the computer, but we have to locate the nakshatra.
Right.
So that we have to understand.
Hmm.
Then one class may be taken for discussing the result of all 24 yogis.
Okay.
There are 68, but 24 nakshatra controls it.
Right,
Because
sir.
there are 24 yoginis in 108 years.
Right, sir.
8 yoginis, one
For
cycle of nakshatra. Okay.
Right.
So all those 24 nakshatra, and we will understand
Right.
what important results it can give. After understanding this, the 2 days I wish to keep for students who have understood it, who will prepare their chart, their own chart, anybody's chart. They should draw the Yogini Dasha of past or of future, any. And if they draw the correct Dasha with nakshatra, then we will discuss the events of that chart.
Right, sir.
See, from seen to unseen. This is Jyotish.
Right.
From what we have seen,
What
we
has
take
happened?
out the conclusions.
Yes.
And then try to correlate with the unseen.
That is the future
events to come.
Yes, sir.
So that way, we will try to take 4 or 5 charts a day in a session or whatever possible. Because the theme is to learn and learn from your practical chart. You learn it, others will also learn it. So that is the scheme I am having.
So with that, can we move into an example, sir?
We can take.
Okay, sir. So we're taking a chart which is much into discussion nowadays of Narendra Modi ji. Here we have the Vimshotri Dasha, but as we move on to the Yogini Dasha here, we can
see Vimshotri, we will take a Dasha when he became Prime Minister for the first time.
Do we take it in the Yogini Dasha chart?
No, Vimshotri was Moon Rahu.
Yes, sir.
Vimshotri was Moon Rahu.
Right, sir.
Okay. And from Moon Rahu, immediately, because we know he had become a Prime Minister, we will try to say Moon is 10th Lord. Rahu is in 6th house. But it does not give a very strong 10th house to become a prime minister.
Right, sir.
Moon is debilitated.
Hmm.
You will say debilitation is cancelled. Okay. 95% of the debilitation are cancelled always in any chart. So when the debilitation is cancelled, everybody becomes a
King.
prime minister. My 2 planets I have debilitated and both are cancelled. 2 debilitation are cancelled, but I am not a prime minister. Okay. Now
Yes.
we come to Yogini Dasha. I will not tell you the method right now, but I will only share that he was running Rahu Dasha.
Yes, sir.
Rahu of Mrigshira. Mrigshira nakshatra is in Taurus and in Gemini. Half in Taurus, half in Gemini. So half Dasha in Taurus. So his 2010, the Dasha moved to Gemini. See, this is the beauty. In between Dasha also the Lagna is changed. So now Gemini has become, Mithun has become the Lagna from
Yes.
2010.
Yes, sir.
And his name started coming from 2010 end, almost end. Because 2 years he campaigned.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that process started. Now let us examine Gemini. The nakshatra lord is Mars. Now make Gemini as the Lagna.
Right, sir.
Now check the 10th house from Gemini.
We have Rahu sitting here, the planet whose Dasha is
Rahu
running.
is sitting there, aspected by Mercury and Sun. It shows obstacles also. Now you see the 10th lord from Gemini is Jupiter.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter is aspecting Gemini.
Yes, sir.
How strongly he is aspecting.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Now check the nakshatra lord, Mars. Mars is aspecting Jupiter, the 10th lord from Gemini. He is the nakshatra lord.
Yes, sir.
He is aspecting the Lagna.
Yes, sir.
He is with the natal 10th lord.
Moon. Yes, sir.
So nakshatra is strongly connected with 10th house from the progress Lagna and 10th lord.
Yes, sir.
Some big rise is coming. Make Gemini as Lagna and then check Rahu in 10th house.
Phenomenal.
In
Pisces.
Pisces.
Phenomenal rise, international rise.
Yes. Institution. He built an institution after this. See,
Right.
Parashar's classic rule is see 10th house from 10th lord. If it is strong, the person will build institutions. 10th house, 10th lord.
Right.
When it is given by Dasha. Now you see the 10th lord from progress Lagna is Jupiter. 10th house from 10th lord is having Mars in own sign. It has become very strong. So he will build institution in this Dasha.
Right, sir.
Right, Anuradha?
Right, sir. So
this is the beauty of Yogini.
All who are interested in learning more on Yogini can contact us through the website or WhatsApp. Till we meet with you again in the webinar, stay safe and be happy. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Please hit the
Mehul.
bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.